Good morning and welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm with Brittany, great friend of mine and ex-girlfriend. And I think she'll have an interesting perspective on some of these questions, and I hope that this will inspire you to be more thoughtful throughout your day. And I would really like for you to answer these questions in the comment section below. This is part of my philosophical challenge. It's for the month of January to release one video every day for the entire month. And I think it's fun. So if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and join me all throughout the month of January. And from then on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. For Monday, I have Manliness Monday, which is about beard care, style, and etiquette, and just good advice for men. Just good life advice. On Wednesdays, I will release a new philosophical video, and on Fridays, I'll release a project video, which I do everything from making bottle stoppers to furniture, even the camera stand that I'm shooting this on now. So if you haven't, hit that subscribe button and join me. If there existed a perfect clone of you, would it also be you? Would it act exactly in the same manner as you do, like a mirror? Kind of, but not in reverse, I guess. Or would it act differently? If it acted differently, then would it still be you? At what point would it not be you?
Perfect clone of me? So like physically it would look the same and stuff. I don't think that it would act the same way though, because experience shapes how a person acts and who they become. So I might have something happen to me that made me a miserable bitch that I am, and this person might have something like great happen to them and they'd be like just a ray of sunshine. So
Yeah, I think maybe at birth, if you were cloned, it might be close to you, but it would never be you because it's a different being altogether. And there is no such thing as a perfect clone to begin with, so we could kind of throw that whole perfection thing right out the window. I know this question is getting towards the nature versus nurture thing, but as soon as one thing happened to you that didn't happen to it, you're intrinsically different for the rest of your life. And that could be as simple as, who does the mother pick up first?
it wouldn't be me.
Ever the optimist, Brittany.
No. Well, I think that we would probably have some of the same personality traits. Like creativity would probably be about the same, stuff like that, but I think that we would be still two totally different personalities when it gets down to the details.
I think it'd be kind of like, almost like twins. I know Star Wars does deal with this with the whole Clone Wars thing. And like they're all an army cloned from the same guy. None of them are like him. And none of them are really exactly like each other. They all have slightly different personalities, different scars.
Is this what the things in the white outfits are?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not the stormtroopers, but the ones before
never
that.
mind.
But there's a lot of similarities, and if you didn't know them, like once you do get to know them, you could start telling the differences between them. You know, different scars, different habits, different mannerisms, different modes of speaking. And that would be the same for if you were cloned. Your clone wouldn't be you. It would never be you. It would have slightly different habits, mannerisms. It would have different thoughts, different ideas. Yeah, it'd be close. But the older you got, the more of a divergence there would be between the two of you. At least I think so.
I agree.
Because there's a lot of nature versus nurture there.
And what if this one didn't like foxes? That's the core of my being.
I know. You and your foxes. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And like I said, if there's anything if you have any responses to these questions, please let me know in the comment section below. I really enjoy hearing what you guys think. This might just be a cool little experiment, but I'm having a lot of fun with it. And I'm getting to have a good discourse with a variety of different people. So throughout the day, try and ask this question to somebody else. See what somebody else's opinion are. It may just change what you think about things yourself. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I really appreciate it. Please hit that subscribe button, and if you like this, please hit that like button too. It really does help this channel out a lot. And don't forget, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It's kind of cool that things are starting to get along and improve, and I think this is a cool little community that we're building together, and I'd like this to continue. Don't be a stranger, and remember, stay thoughtful. See you next time.